Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Today I'll be taking you on how step by step how to apply for tax waiver in case you have a penalty in KRA. So what happened? Is that when it came to filing new returns, that day I had issues and I forgot to file the new returns. Then this is the reminder notice for the payment of default for income tax resident. KRA told me that this to inform you that you have not paid tax obligation of 2,000 Kenya shillings, and the tax period was from first January 2020 to 31st. This is the document for from Kenya Revenue Authority telling me my default details. So at that, what we will do, we'll come here and be able to log into Kenya Revenue Authority ITAX. Once we log in, we'll be able to come to date. We will be able to come to date. Once we come to date, we'll come request for waiver for penalties. Once we request waiver for penalties, we'll say this page will come to section A. Once we come to section A, we'll be able to select that the reason that we are trying to file new returns is because of residence individual. And as you can see here, it has said reminder notice for payment for tax resident individual. That is the reason that we are paying for this tax. So secondly, we'll come here and select the reason, the tax type. We'll be able to see the penalty. Then we'll be able to fill here. I think here we should be able to fill the amount that we want waived. So we'll come here and say tax for individual. Then we'll come here and say the tax type is for penalty. Then we'll be able to add the details. Then we'll come here and ensure that you upload a document for waiver application. I've shown you my document that I'm using for waiver application. Ensure that you write this document to them. Start with your details, then to the station manager of KRA. The reason that I'm here applying for tax waiver under my name. Put the reason that you're applying. Then put also the pin number that is associated to where you're applying. Once you apply that, ensure that you'll come here and choose the file that you want to use. Ensure you click it, then you say open. After you open it, I think everything will be okay. We'll come here and say submit. Do you want to submit? It says okay. After doing that, it will submit. Kenya Revenue Authority, your request for the waiver was successful. Click here to download the application. This is we'll be able to download that the certificate that acknowledges that acknowledgement for receipt for waiver application. We acknowledge receiving your waiver application from KRA number this. As per records, the amount is 2,000 for period shown below. So at that, I know I've applied for a waiver. If you find this tutorial successful and knowledgeable, ensure you leave a thumbs up for YouTube algorithm to award me. Ensure you subscribe for more educative tutorials. Thank you.